You know that feeling when you have something important to do and you know it, or maybe you open Instagram, you check the fridge for the fourth time, and then it's midnight and the work is still there, waiting, silently judging you. My friend, what you just felt, that's not laziness, that's not weakness, that is one of the most misunderstood battles the human brain fights every single day. It's called procrastination, and today we are going to end it not with empty motivation, not with just do it nonsense, but with science, psychology, and brutal honesty. Let's begin. Every person who has ever procrastinated has been told the same thing: you are just lazy, and they believed it. They felt ashamed, they pushed harder, they made more to do lists, they watched more productivity videos, and still nothing changed. You know why? Because laziness and procrastination are not the same thing. Lazy people feel nothing about unfinished work. Procrastinators feel everything. The guilt, the anxiety loop that plays in your head at 2 a.m., that's not laziness, that's your brain in emotional overdrive. Here's what actually happening inside your head. When a task feels scary, boring, or too big, your brain fires off a threat signal. Danger, discomfort ahead. And your brain's only job, its number one priority, is to protect you from discomfort. So it escapes YouTube, food, sleep, anything but the task. And for a moment it works, you feel better. But that work, it doesn't disappear, it grows, and the guilt grows with it. This is the procrastination loop, and understanding it is the first step to breaking it. Not everyone procrastinates the same way, so before we fix it, let's find your type. Type 1, the overwhelm. The task is so massive, so unclear. You freeze, you don't know where to start, so you start nowhere. Type 2, the perfectionist. You want to do it perfectly or not at all. जब सही टाइम आएगा तब करूँगी, जब मूड सही होगा, जब ready feel करूँगी, and that perfect moment never comes. Type 3, the fearful. Deep down you are terrified. What if you try and fail? What if people laugh? What if it's not good enough? So your brain chooses the safest option. Don't try at all. Type 4, the comfort addict. No deep fear, no perfectionism, you just love comfort. Netflix feels warm, the task feels cold. Brain naturally उधर जाता है जहाँ अच्छा लगता है. Which one are you? Be honest, because the solution starts with knowing yourself. Okay, no more theory, अब काम की बात. These are the 5 strategies that will actually genuinely, permanently change how you work. Don't think about finishing, don't think about the whole project, just start for 2 minutes. Not complete the assignment, just open the document. Not finish the workout, just put on your shoes. Not study the whole chapter, just read one line. Itna hi, here's the science behind it. Your brain hates starting, but once it starts, it hates stopping even more. This is called the Zeigarnik effect. Incomplete tasks pull your brain back like a magnet. तो बस 2 मिनट के लिए शुरू करो, बाकी काम ब्रेन खुद कर लेगा. और जब एक छोटा काम होता है ना, शुरू करना उतना ही आसान हो जाता है. Momentum builds and before you know it, the monster is gone. Here's something the productivity gurus never tell you. Willpower runs out, environment does not. You cannot out-discipline a bad environment. अगर phone पास है, distraction होगा, no matter how determined you are. So stop fighting the distractions, remove it. Phone दूसरे रूम में रखो, उस जगह बैठो जहाँ काम करना natural feel हो. Library, cafe, a quiet corner, anywhere but the comfort zone. आपका environment आपकी productivity decide करता है, not your intentions. Design your space और space आपको design करेगा. This one is for every perfectionist in the room, and I need you to really hear this. A broken, imperfect, ugly, dumb thing is infinitely more powerful than a perfect thing that never existed. Your first draft will be bad, your first video will be cringe, your first attempt will be embarrass you. और यही होना चाहिए, because perfection is not the goal, progress is. Perfectionism is just procrastination wearing an expensive suit. Don't be fooled, ship it, submit it, post it. The thing nobody talks about, one last thing, and this might be the most important thing I say today. Every time you procrastinate, you feel guilty, and that guilt creates more anxiety. That anxiety makes the task feel bigger, which makes you procrastinate even more. ये एक loop है और guilt इस loop को तेज करता है. Guilt doesn't motivate, it paralyzes. So when it happens, and it will happen, don't spiral, don't hate yourself. Just say, okay, हो गया, वापस आते हैं. Quickly, gently, without drama, come back. You're not your worst days. एक बुरा दिन एक बुरी जिंदगी नहीं बनाता.